I born in the 70s. How old am I? Can you guess? I born in the 70s is incorrect. Why? Have a guess. Oh, let me give you the answer. I was born in the 70s. You see, you need to use the verb to be and put it in the simple past tense. So when you're asking someone, you can use when were you born? When is your birth date? Meaning the date on which the person was born. Also, you can't use the simple present tense of the verb to be when you're talking about yourself. Therefore, I am born is incorrect. Well, sometimes you could possibly say I am born, or maybe better, I am reborn. But okay, by now you should know that you have to use this structure. I was born in May. She was born later that year. We were born on the same day. Don't forget, simple past tense, time indication. Did you learn something this time? Well, you did, huh? See you when I see you.